Hello friends, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Today we are continuing our summer pie series. On today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make a delicious and refreshing no-bake lemon icebox pie. We're going to start off with our traditional cream cheese filling with 2 packages of softened cream cheese, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Once you've added all of your ingredients, grab your mixer and start mixing on low speed because you don't want your lemon juice to spill out. Once you are mixing up your pie filling, make sure you grab your spatula and you wipe the sides of your bowl so that every single bit of the yummy goodness is in that filling. So after it's nice and creamy and smooth, you're gonna go ahead and grab your 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Now I did get this from the freezer section at our grocery store. Fold in that entire container of whipped topping and then set that bowl over to the side. Today I'm using another 10-inch graham cracker pie crust. Now fill that up to your specifications. I did fill it up all the way to the top. You can place her in the freezer for a couple hours or a few hours or overnight or whatever you want to do. So this is what your pie looks like after it's come out of the freezer and decorated, and I hope you enjoy. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.